The Labour and Social Security Minister Pearnel Jr. believes too many stakeholders were involved in the initial assessment process in the hurricane-affected communities. He said immediately after Melissa, even criminals were posing as assessors, and this has contributed to confusion among victims seeking to benefit from the restoration of owners or occupants' family shelters roofs program.
There's a whole heap of people who are doing assessments. Church, parson, thief, politician, all manner of people are doing it. The only assessment that matters here is the assessment by the Ministry of Labour or the persons working with us.
Minister Charles Jr. was speaking to residents in Western Jamaica as part of the ministry's ongoing effort to speed up the roofs initiative.
The program is not closed. The program is active. That's why we are here. What is closed is new assessments, and you wouldn't fall in that batch because you have already interacted with the ministry. So whatever the issue is that you're having in terms of being told one thing and another, we will rectify it today.